watching YouTube, starting the day. Beautiful day in Texas. Big bike day today. 23 890 Adventure R. Meeting about 3 other guys, and we're going to go do the Paluxy crossing loop. There's some carnage from yesterday. Broke a brake caliper. A couple of CRFs are customed out, about to hit the road. Yeah, broke this dude yesterday. Pretty sure that's going to be a warranty job. Not sure what's going on there, but anyway, let's get after it. Paluxy crossing loop. Crossing the Brazos River near Millsap. A few campers, one guy in the water, a bit chilly for that. Yes, I just saw a bald eagle, so I put pivot pegs on this bike. I hadn't ridden this bike in about 2 months, but took it out for a test ride the other day, trying to figure these things out. They do feel pretty good. Feel a little like my ankles flex a lot, and that could be dangerous, but I don't know. I think we'll see. I ride on the balls of my feet from riding off-road, so I feel like maybe I should center my feet up a little more, but I'll give you a report at the end of the day, see what we think of them. Houston Ranch, Lapan, Texas. This thing burned about a year ago. It's looking good in recovery. Sit on both sides. Sometimes fires do a lot of good, actually. It did burn the old homestead down. If you look up on top of the hill, I'm not sure if you could see it, but that's what's left. There's a couple of little buildings. But it all burnt pretty good, both sides of the road. But it has recovered. Some of the trees didn't, but not too bad. Kind of pretty out through here. First bit of real gravel for the day. Much more to come. So coming into Bluffdale, across on that Houston Ranch Road. I don't know what the population of Bluffdale is. Could be more than a couple of hundred people. Good little Texas tiny town. That's Wilfong's, pretty famous for their crawfish and whatnot. Just down there is the Greenwood Saloon or the Greenwood Tavern. Live music Friday, Saturday and Sundays, I think. It's a pretty cool little place. They have a gas station. And that's about it. You guys are following. We'll head up to the start of the loop here in about 10 miles. So here we are. This is the start of the loop. So we're going to sit here and wait on our buddy Harvey Das. So we'll just wait here on him and then we'll get into the loop.
Like 20 or 24 possibly. Nice day for a ride. Good day for a ride. I think it's 58 degrees now. Waiting on Avi and his Goozy. Avi's here with his Goozy. It's 85 cc's. It says right there. So we'll see if he can keep up with us. It says 85, right? Or is it a V85?
Here we go with the boys. Start of the loop. This is the home of J-Bar Fletch, Ernest Cannon's place, tucked away here in the valley. Beautiful little Texas ranch. Not too bad, relatively green. We haven't had a lot of rain, so it's not bad. Looking good. A bunch of Bremer cows. Coming down, I think our first creek crossing right here. 90% full dry. Got a high fence ranch around here. Long Creek Ranch. So coming up on the old, I think it's a historical kind of Hereford ranch. See the sign up here in a minute, but beautiful old homestead set up here. Big limestone main home, some pens and whatnot. Yeah, doesn't say the name, but pretty cool. Very nice fences and shit through here. Good cedar, nice pastures. Beautiful little area. Got a good canopy of live oaks coming through here. Sure is a pretty part of Texas, or for this area anyway. Kind of getting into the Caliche Hills here, which is pretty nice. There's Justin on his T7. Jared, not Justin, Jared. Get a bit of film of him. There's Mike on his Africa Twin DCT Auto. Beautiful bike, the DCT. Beautiful colors. Mike's a big Honda guy. Likes his Jap bikes. Get RV on film here. The Moto Guzzi. Pretty sweet looking bike. Checked it out earlier. I think it's like an 800cc twin. That's crossing number 2. Whoop-ah! And I am on an 890. 110 horsepower. And it likes drifting through corners. Get RV on film here for a while. be pretty capable off-road. Harvey's a pretty decent rider. Rides some smaller bikes too. Catch back up to Mike and Jared here. Oh, mad cow. Please don't jump out. Bit dusty, not too bad. Loose in the middle there. Back roads are fun. You get a little drifting going on in the corners. Just need to watch for oncoming sharp corners though. Can be hard to slow down on too. Good Texas windmill. Bit of windmill trivia. In Australia there's only 2 windmill manufacturers, Comet and Southern Cross. Southern Cross has 4 legs, Comet has 3, or the other way around, but I think I'm right, I'm not sure. Anyway, not sure about Texas windmills. Anyway, AT suspension looks pretty good, absorbing all those bumps. Crossing but dry. Odin Chapel and Cemetery. Knob there in the middle of nowhere. Group of horses. Ah, smells like horse. Good smell. Tiny town of Iredell. I think we crossed the Paluxy on the bridge here. Bosque, the Bosque River, not the Paluxy. Coming up on one of the bigger crossings. Might have to stop and get a photo on this one. I don't know if there's any dinosaur prints.
So is this usually full of water?
It can be, yeah. Yeah, it can be right up, so you've got to know your way around to get through here. This is one of the 2 bigger ones. The other one I think probably will have water. Wouldn't it?
Yeah.
The rock bottom. Is it cold?
Yeah, it's not bad.
There's a water crossing. town. Not sure if there's anything to eat in Walnut Springs. Have a quick look, see if there's a cafe. If not, we'll keep moving on to Glenrose. Coming on down to another river crossing. Not sure which river, Paluxy or Bosque. I think this is Paluxy, to be honest. Probably some dinosaur footprints in there somewhere. Here is Dino World. You can go check out T-Rex right there. So this is the water crossing I thought might have water, and it is dry. Yep, this one's dry too. Parting ways. Jared's following me back to Lipan. Mike's headed to Weatherford, Abby's headed to Dallas.